Good.
My water pump, I'm going to take this both out because I have to cut off this portion. Okay, I haven't done anything, and I actually have to edit the video that you guys are going to see before. Is that a spider? Before this one, so that's what I'm going to be doing today. But I also have some running around to do, and the thing is, I've like lost motivation, but I haven't, but I have, if that makes sense. You know, working on my cars and stuff like that, it's fun. It is, but sometimes I get tired. And then I'm sitting there and I'm like, I don't want to edit. I don't want to do this. I don't want to do that. But I have newfound motivation, not really from anything. It's just like, I want to get back into it. I want to do more. So I have all the car stuff, and you'll see that in another video before this and after this. And then today we're going to be kind of doing some running around. I am going to start streaming. So I've been trying to figure this out and set up like a streaming setup. I'm going to go get up a webcam today for up there. I already have a mic. I already have pretty much everything ready to like stream. I just have to do it because I do think I can come up with some pretty interesting content for just live streaming and like, you know, highlights and stuff like that from the stream. So that's something that I do want to do. And I also have to pick up another iPhone because this one has been through it. So I'm gonna go pick up a new iPhone today, pick up an Elite controller, a case, and a camera. And I think that's it, and then I'll get back, kind of set all this stuff up. I also have to transfer all the stuff from my phone, and then I'm also going to go to the shop and we're going to make a list of everything that I need for Samantha because I need to finish this car. I know there's wiring and stuff like that that I need to finish up, but I'm going to make a list of everything that I need tomorrow, order it, or most of the stuff that I need that's like important. Drive shaft to be last, but like, you know, wires, pins, things like that. Call around, figure all those things out, and then order it. And then we'll be able to get back on it. And if I can get all that stuff in by like Wednesday or Thursday, I'll stay late Thursday, Friday, and then work on the car. So yeah. Now, in typical Carl fashion, I probably don't have gas in my car. I haven't been in my car in a week. I just came back from California. She's been stored here in the garage. And let's get her started. Open the door. Whew. I don't know if it's like just me, but it can't be just me because I get so excited. Like I'm excited to drive my car because I've been driving around in a Kia Soul for the last week, and I haven't been in my car, so I'm kind of excited. I'm excited. I don't have anywhere to sit this. I'm like excited. I haven't driven my car in so long. Has gas. But I can't wait till Samantha's done. Like, as much as I joke and I talk about this car has always gotten me from point A to point B, no problems, besides when I get flat tires, but you can pretty much blame that on me. It's protecting me from an accident, I mean, but I love this car. I'm so excited. Like, I don't know, I'm just really happy driving this car. But I'm at Verizon. I'm gonna go in and get this phone. I would just like to say that Dance Gavin Dance came out with a new album. I had no idea they came out with a new album, but I love Dance Gavin Dance, so it's a banger, so you should go listen to it. And we got ourselves a new phone! Look at that! Yeah, I'm bougie, don't talk to me, it's gold. Alright, now we gotta go to Best Buy to get an Elite controller and a camera. The webcam, yeah. Woo! Oh boy, do I love that gimbal. Do I know how that's gonna turn out? Absolutely not, but hopefully it'll look good. If it didn't, you won't know what I'm talking about, but I think it will. I'll be able to make like a little something. I don't know. I've been trying to get a little bit more creative with the gimbal and stuff like that, so there you go. But, boom, there it is. No more crusty, dusty phone, no more cracked screens or anything like that. Look at this. Look at this. She's really been through it. She's been through some things, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, but I'm gonna set up this iPhone, edit this video, and then I'll see you guys tomorrow at the shop. Yeah. Gotta make a list of everything I need, and yeah. Oh my God, it feels good to be back in the shop. I'm back with the boys. I'm so excited. I've really missed everyone, and I've really missed Samantha, my car. I'm so excited. So today, I'm gonna get together this list of everything that I need, like wiring-wise. I'm also gonna take out my radiator and my water pump. I'm gonna take those both out because I have to cut off this portion and this portion right there, and then on the radiator as well, so that I can weld on the dash 16 weld-on bungs that I have, because I need those to come from the bulkhead that I have so I can run my water lines as well. I also need to drill in 2 holes for my turbo water, and then the lines for my turbo are completely done except my return lines. So I actually have to do that as well. Fan wiring. Fan wiring is looking pretty good. I actually just disconnected both of the fans down there, ran the lines, and then those come in down here. I gotta finish up the wiring as well, but the reason why I couldn't finish up the wiring is because I need a pin for the harness. So I need to do that as well. But we're doing little things, maintenance, stuff like that, so that I can go home, order it, get everything in that I need, and then I can keep going. Okay, I also think I may have wired the can high and can low to the wrong wires, so I just took them out and then switched the pins. So now my can low and can high are in the opposite pins. That should be fun. Got it all done here, cut it up, clean up the edges on the inside, did it on both of them. I just wanted to clean it up real good. And I have a really bad habit of sitting the camera right where like stuff is shooting when I'm cutting or something like that. I need to stop doing that. But so Will come in, he'll weld these up tomorrow for me, and then I'll be able to make my dash 16 lines, and we'll also weld up the bungs. Wow, we'll weld up the bungs that we have on the side. And this is just to mount my radiator, so finish welding that, and we'll be good. And then coming back over here, fans are down, radiator's out, AC condenser's out, everything's unplugged, wires are ran. So now I know I need to call Rywire, but my phone doesn't have service. So, but I'll get the pins for the harness, because that's what I don't have. To pin in the fans, and then anything else I need to pin in. And then I'll also get, I need to order the wire for the connector from my pedal, and then I need to order the wire for my pedal to my throttle body. I need to figure out my alternator, and then I need to get the wire for my starter, and then the terminal relocation kit for my battery as well. And then most of the wiring will be pretty good too, so it's coming along. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I appreciate all of you guys, and we're almost done.